Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to send Google Play gift code from PayPal, and now let's dive right in. Now, in order to send the Google Play gift code from PayPal, first open up your preferred browser on your computer. As I have already opened the Google Chrome over here, and on your browser, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and enter the address paypal.com/gifts like this, and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of PayPal gifts over here. Now click on the cards button over here in order to go to the cards interface of the PayPal gifts, and you can see guys, here is the Google Play gift code. If it's not available over here where I'm hovering, you can always search for it on the search box over here and it will be available for you. So let's click on the Google Play gift code option over here, and then you'll be directed over here where you'll be required to read some of the details of the Google Play gift code and their terms and conditions. And after that, you can see the net amount of the money which you want to send on the Google Play gift code. And after choosing your amount of money guys, enter the email address of the person to whom you want to send the Google Play gift code and enter your name over here, whichever may it be, and add a personal message, something like a happy birthday or anything, or a vacation. And with that being done guys, you can also schedule it. You can see this is the calendar where you'll be able to schedule it guys. And after that guys, after filling all of this information, click on the add to cart button over here, and when this blue box appears guys, it will be added to your cart. So in order to check out, you can see the cart button available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the cart button and you land over here. So let's remove this one and let's proceed with this one which I want to send. And with that being done guys, you can see the delivery method is email, and the email address is over here, and the delivery date is over here, and amount with the total amount guys. And after doing this guys, click on the buy now button and you land over here where you'll be required to log into your PayPal account over here. And after logging into your PayPal account, make the payment of that gift card from your PayPal account, and then that gift code will be sent to the person whom you want to send as a gift. And with that being done guys, the gift code will be sent. And you guys, this is how to send a Google Play gift code from PayPal. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.